The EV market is evolving at lightning speed. What once felt like the distant future is now our reality. Faster charging, longer ranges, and smarter designs are everywhere. 2026 is shaping up to be a milestone year, with legacy automakers and startups alike pushing boundaries in performance, luxury, and sustainability. Buckle up as we break down the most exciting electric cars hitting the roads. There's something here for everyone. Let's kick things off with the Tesla Roadster, a name that's become synonymous with electric performance. Since its first reveal, the Roadster has captured imaginations, promising to push the boundaries of what an electric car can do. Now, with the 2026 model, Tesla is aiming to set a new benchmark for speed, range, and innovation in the world of high-performance vehicles. The 2026 Roadster finally arrives with a jaw-dropping 998 kilometers of range, enough to drive from LA to San Francisco and back, with plenty left over for detours. This isn't just impressive for an electric car, it's a game-changer for any sports car, period. Long-distance journeys are now effortless, and range anxiety is a thing of the past. But the real headline? 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds, supercar speed, delivered in silence. The Roadster's acceleration is so instant, it almost feels unreal. You press the pedal, and you're launched forward with a force that pins you to your seat, all without the roar of an engine. Instant torque, no gears, no lag, just pure acceleration. The electric drivetrain means there's no waiting for power to build, no shifting, just seamless speed from the moment you touch the accelerator. It's a sensation that even seasoned car enthusiasts find exhilarating. The design is low-slung and aerodynamic, blending classic Roadster vibes with next-gen flair. Every curve and angle is engineered for maximum efficiency and style, making it as striking to look at as it is to drive. The Roadster's presence on the road is unmistakable, sleek, aggressive, and futuristic. Inside, it's minimalist and driver-focused, but packed with advanced tech, autopilot, over-the-air updates, and more. The cockpit is designed to keep you connected and in control, with a massive touchscreen, premium materials, and intuitive controls. It's a space that feels both luxurious and purposeful, perfect for long drives or spirited sprints. Tesla's new battery tech means ultra-fast charging and less time waiting. Plug in at a supercharger, and you'll be back on the road in minutes, not hours. This is a car built for people who want to drive, not sit around waiting for a charge. And with access to the supercharger network, road trips are easier than ever. Whether you're crossing states or just heading out for a weekend adventure, you're never far from a fast, reliable charging point. Tesla's infrastructure gives you the freedom to explore without compromise. The Roadster proves you don't have to compromise performance for sustainability. It's zero emissions and still outpaces gas-powered supercars. You get all the thrills, all the speed, and none of the guilt. It's a bold statement that the future of performance is electric, and it's here now. It's a statement, fast, smart, and undeniably cool. The Roadster turns heads wherever it goes, drawing crowds and admiration from car lovers and tech enthusiasts alike. It's more than just a car. It's a symbol of innovation and progress. If you want the ultimate electric thrill in 2026, the Roadster is tough to beat. It's engineered for those who crave excitement, demand the latest technology, and care about the planet. The Roadster isn't just about going fast, it's about redefining what's possible, but the competition is fierce. Let's see what Ferrari brings to the table. The electric supercar race is just getting started, and the Roadster has set the bar sky high. Next up, Ferrari's first all-electric SUV, the Elettrica. Ferrari's racing DNA is alive and well, now in a four-wheel drive electric SUV with lightning-fast responses and signature handling. The battery delivers a perfect blend of range and performance, keeping the center of gravity low for that Ferrari feel. Inside, it's pure luxury, leather, carbon fiber, and a futuristic digital cockpit. Ferrari's new AI-driven drive system adapts dynamics in real time, whether you're carving up roads or cruising the city. Ultra-rapid charging and a bespoke network at dealerships mean you're never far from a quick top-up. The instant torque and silent acceleration offer a new kind of Ferrari excitement. The Elettrica proves Ferrari can evolve without losing its soul. Now, let's see how Bentley redefines electric luxury. Meet the Bentley Urban, a full-size electric SUV that sets a new standard for luxury EVs. Designed for those who demand both elegance and innovation, the Urban blends Bentley's iconic craftsmanship with cutting-edge electric technology. From the moment you see its bold silhouette gliding through the city, you know this is no ordinary SUV. Every detail, from the signature grille to the sculpted lines, speaks of sophistication and forward-thinking design. With an 805-kilometer range, it's class-leading for long-distance comfort. Whether you're commuting across town or embarking on a weekend getaway, the Urban ensures you'll get there with ease and style. Its advanced battery technology means fewer stops and more time enjoying the open road, making it perfect for both city life and grand adventures. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that's a true showcase of luxury. Hand-stitched leather, sustainable wood, and recycled materials come together to create an environment that's both opulent and eco-conscious. Every surface is meticulously crafted, offering a tactile experience that's uniquely Bentley. The cabin is spacious, serene, and filled with natural light, making every journey a pleasure. Advanced safety features and semi-autonomous driving make every journey effortless. The Urban is equipped with the latest driver assistance systems, helping you navigate busy streets and highways with confidence. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking work seamlessly to keep you and your passengers safe, while the semi-autonomous mode takes the stress out of daily driving. The ride is whisper quiet, with air suspension and a dual-motor setup for smooth acceleration. Whether you're gliding through city traffic or accelerating onto the highway, the Urban delivers a driving experience that's both powerful and refined. The advanced suspension system adapts to changing road conditions, ensuring comfort no matter where you go. Tech is everywhere. A massive infotainment screen, wireless everything, and smart navigation that plans charging stops. The intuitive interface keeps you connected and entertained, while voice controls and seamless smartphone integration make every drive more convenient. The Urban anticipates your needs, offering features like over-the-air updates and customizable displays. Bentley's battery is built for longevity and easy recycling, supporting their carbon-neutral goals. Fast charging capability means you'll spend less time plugged in and more time on the move. The Urban's commitment to sustainability extends beyond the drive, with a focus on responsible sourcing and end-of-life recycling for every component. The Urban is as good for the planet as it is for your daily drive. It's designed to minimize environmental impact while maximizing comfort and performance, making it the perfect choice for eco-conscious drivers who refuse to compromise on luxury. If you want the ultimate luxury EV, this is it. The Bentley Urban redefines what it means to drive electric, offering a blend of prestige, innovation, and sustainability that's unmatched in its class. But if practicality is your priority, Hyundai's Ioniq 6 is up next, offering a different take on the electric driving experience.